Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple Watch has location access and is updated. Open settings on your iPhone and watch, enable location services, and verify wrist detection is on. Once done, press the digital crown and launch Maps or the workout app. Choose an outdoor activity or a route. You do this because the watch needs satellite lock for accurate tracking. If you pair with an iPhone, the phone can assist GPS faster, so make sure it's nearby. Then wait for the map to center. You now get a GPS lock before moving. Stay still for a few seconds until the location icon or distance appears. Tap Start to begin tracking. Choose Route or enable turn-by-turn directions in Maps if you need guidance. During the activity, make sure auto pause is on so stops don't skew pace, and keep heart rate enabled for accurate calorie estimates. Once started, glance at the watch for pace, distance, and ETA. These readouts come from the GPS and motion sensors. You finish by tapping End and saving the session so the GPS route stores in Fitness and Maps. After syncing with your iPhone, review the detailed path, splits, and elevation. This helps you confirm accuracy. If the route looks off, try one key troubleshooting tip. Recalibrate by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk or run with your phone for signal refinement. If problems persist, toggle location services, restart the watch, and repair if needed. These steps usually resolve persistent GPS drift or missing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.